Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to all of the returning subscribers. I want you to know that I greatly appreciate you for showing up for every video, for giving me a thumbs up, as well as sharing my video and leaving me comments. So, what are we doing in today's video? Today's video is a trying to pep myself up video. What do I mean by that? I have not had any motivation to do anything. And over the weekend, I think my body just completely shut down. I couldn't move or anything. And so I think the weather is playing a role in it. And basically with me just going and going every day, from working out, teaching Zumba, teaching line dance, my body was just tired. Not to mention, I didn't realize that I didn't take my vitamin D3 that I supposed to take monthly. So I have taken it now and given myself a little bit. So I am going to add in a little Valentine's into this space. I didn't get a chance to add the florals that I wanted to add because those was outside. And not only is it just nighttime now, but also because it was raining and it was freezing cold, okay? And I was not about to go out into my little decor storage and get those. So I just work with what I already had in the house. So this plant that I had showed you not too long ago, I purchased that flower from Sam's over the weekend. And Sam's actually had all of those on sale. And they had variety of plants. And when I say they was on sale, the original price for this was like $29. I only paid $8 and some change for this. So I wanted an indoor plant. I may go by and try to get another one. I have a flower pot that I want to put it in already. That's going to go inside of the house. However, that's outside. I'm not going out there. So I'll do that, I don't know, when the weather clear up. And not just that, the ground is wet and muddy, and I'm not going out to get that at the moment. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead, sit back, let you enjoy watching this video as I try to add in a little color into this space. And you already know I am just doing the bare minimum to this space because I am totally looking forward to decorating for spring.
I woke up this morning, yes, I'm blessed. I can see where I'm going, yes, I'm blessed. I'm willing and able, yes, I'm blessed. I got food on the table, yes, I'm blessed. I'm too blessed to be stressed, yes, I'm blessed. Claiming nothing but victory, cause I'm blessed. I'm gonna keep on winning, cause I'm blessed. I'm grateful and thankful, yes, I'm blessed. My fate is destined for greatness, yes, I'm blessed. I'm claiming the victory, yes, I'm blessed. I pray for my family, yes, I'm blessed. Protecting my energy, cause I'm blessed. I pray for my family, yes, I'm blessed. Favor surrounds me, yes, I'm blessed. Sowing seeds of integrity, yes, I'm blessed. My God, don't play about me.
So friends, I went by Home Depot. I think it was the weekend before last, and I needed to get some wood. So I need wood to build the shelves that's gonna go over for my daughter's vanity. And I'm also needing wood because I actually want to add a floating shelf up under the TV where I can put the sound bar. And so I need that, and I also need some wood because I am looking for, and I think I actually found one already on Temu, but it is like a coffee bar cabinet that I want to add shelves over it. That's going to go into the kitchen. So that way I can bring, as you can see, the shelf that I have over to the left in the corner, I can bring the other one back into this space and add it to the opposite side. And so I did found it on Temu. It's going to take me a couple of days, but I found it so that way I can actually get it for free. So it's going to take me a couple of days to be able to get it for free. Then, of course, the shipping and all that. So it'll be about a month for it to get here, which is okay with me. But in the meantime, I want to get my wood. However, I am not going to go out and cut any wood and it's freezing cold, okay? I don't like the cold. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, I'm having the flashes and all of that. No, I don't like the sweating, but I'm still not a fan of the cold. I just want to be comfortable. So anyway, you see that I am adding the red pillows with the hearts on it that I showed you in a previous haul that I shared. And those red pillows came from Amazon, and the beige and the half brown pillow cover, those actually came from Temu. And then I am just going to incorporate some of the little decor that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. What I wanted to do was to go out to the storage and get my container that has my Valentine's decor in it, because I also have my decor that's to decorate my coffee bar. But as I stated, it's cold and it's raining, so I'm not going out there. And so what I may do is I just may share the way that I decorated the coffee bar last Valentine's, and then that way what I can do is just pick up from decorating the coffee bar in the spring when I get the new coffee bar cabinet. Now, you see the two little decor pieces I have on the outside of this mirror. So I want to take those down and actually put it in another location. I already know where I want to put them, but I need to find something that I want to put on this wall, because this wall is so large that I need something to add to this mirror. Now, I have not taken the clock down. The clock is still coming down because I am putting the clock back into my entryway, and you'll see that in an upcoming video. And I already know what I decided that I'm going to just hang on that wall. I just had to wait for the wall brackets to come in the mail, because one of the pictures are extremely heavy, and so I need the correct wall picture frame brackets in order to hang that on the wall. And so I'll get those on so that way I can add those to the space, and hopefully I can just show you that in a video this week. So that's why you see that clock is still there, but it is coming down, friends. Also, I am looking, and for the past 3 weeks, I have had every intention to go by Ross and to go by Burlington, because I am looking for, I have an idea what I'm looking for, but I'm looking for a piece of, it's not artwork, but it's decor work that I want to actually go over my headboard on my bed in my master's. And I just have not had the opportunity to go this upcoming weekend. I doubt if I have the chance to go. I have meetings that I have to deal with this weekend for Zumba as well as instructors meeting. I have that, and I doubt that. And then, of course, celebrating two of my sons, which birthday is in January as well. And so, one of them is coming home. My one in the Navy is coming home, and I'm picking him up from the airport this week. So this weekend is going to be busy. So I'm not going to get a chance to do that, but I'm going to try to squeeze that in somehow. Anyway, friends, I am not going to talk you through this entire video. I am just going to sit back and let you watch the remaining of the video. But I do want to tell you thank you so much for stopping by. I greatly appreciate you stopping by. Please remember to give me a thumbs up on this video. It is free. It costs nothing, friends. Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And leave me a comment down. How about you leave me a red heart down in the comments for today's video to represent Valentine's Day, if you are shy and don't want to leave any comments. Anyway, friends, until next time, remember always to be bold, be creative, and most important, friends, be you. Until next time, friends, bye.